The Madlanga Commission of Inquiry has officially commenced with its work, and indeed, the KZN Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was the first witness, is the first witness, and is currently on the stand. And if you are not following the proceedings, worry not. We've got you covered. We will bring you up-to-date analysis of what is happening at the Bridget Mabandla Justice College. That's where the commission is sitting. So far, General Mkhwanazi has taken us through his curriculum vitae, his history in the police service, the trainings, the different roles that he has held. And then he moved to the interministerial, or actually before the IMC, he dealt with the legislative framework around crime prevention, or the structure as espoused by the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. And that's very important. And we will unpack the significance of that structure later at 7 p.m. when we meet. There's a live link somewhere there. And after the constitutional framework, he dealt with how the political task team was established by the president following the appointment of the Interministerial Committee, IMC. And from that, he also dealt with the task team itself, how it was formulated, how it was structured. And you get a sense when you listen to that structure that that was one powerful investigating task team. And you will understand why somebody would have wanted to disband it, because if you want, you may want to say it was untouchable. So let's meet at 7 p.m. The live link is there. We will expand on these developments, on this revelation. So far, nothing juicy that people might be waiting for. But we understand General Mkhwanazi will be expected to mention names and to provide evidence to back up the allegations that he made. So let's meet at 7 p.m. But if there's any other significant update, we will bring it to you. Stay tuned and make sure that you follow me for more on this.